I say what's going on? Welcome back to the boy MJ Klein YouTube channel. So today we finna do a little cooking vlog, man. You know, I gotta show the other side, man. I got some grits. I'm about to cook some grits. I'm about to show y'all how to cook some shrimp, man. I'm about to show y'all how to get down on the shrimp side, man. So like I said, man, we finna get this little vlog going, man. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Almost 200 subscribers. I know we getting there. If you haven't, go watch my last video on the pregnant, pulling out the little baby. Watch my how hood you pull up, have a little suburban. Go watch that baby pregnant prank, man. That is funny. So like I say, all them will be on my channel. All you just do is click my channel, click all my videos, and they'll be right there. So like I said, we about to get into it with this cooking, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. We out.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shit you. Yeah.
This one I'm working with, man. You got the seasoned salt. You got the lemon pepper, man. Black pepper right there. You got the little garlic powder. You got the little pepper. But look, those my seasonings. I usually use those. So you know, I use those seasonings because you know my mom always uses them, so I'm gonna use them. So look, first you want to start off with this, man. You know, this a little thing. Rinse your shrimp off. Take your little bag. Take your little bag. Tear it. You hit the weight, bro. Got the little bag open. For the shrimp, depending on how many you want to cook. I'm gonna do a few. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a few. So yeah, put them over here. As you can see, they're in here. So you just, you know, rinse them. You know what I mean? Rinse them. I usually cut the tails off, or I might leave them on. I'm gonna leave them on for now. Then you know, once I eat them, I just keep to the other part. I mean, till you know, you get to the end. So I rinse them off. Rinse them. And then, you know, like I said, if you want to cut your tails off, you can cut the tails off. Boom, they rinse. They're rinsed. Boom. Next, what you do is you bring that butter. Get that butter, put it in the stove. So you know you can get it seasoned, man. You can get it simmering. Alright, y'all, I got the butter in there. Let me know, comment down below if I use too much. Cause you know it gotta simmer inside the butter. You know, it gotta cook inside the butter. Let me know if I think I'll use a little too much. My mom, you know. Yeah, let that simmer. Put the little shrimps get in there. Let it simmer, let it melt all around, move it around. Boom. 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 This is how you know this shrimp about to be good, man. Like I said, I can cook. Let it go all around. Bring it around. Boom. Put that right there. From then on, you bring your shrimp over. Y'all, as y'all can see, it's starting to simmer. So from then on, look at that. Bring your shrimp on over. Boom. Then what I'm about to do, I'm about to add the seasoning. I'm about to put the little seasoning on it. Cock that up. So y'all can see. Okay, I'm back with the other half. I don't know why I didn't put this in here because my mom would have been salty if I left this little bitty shrimp in there. But so boom. Put that in there. Grab it. Store it up. Bro, this look good, man. I ain't even put that seasoning on yet. So we're gonna start. I got my seasonings. Should we start with the seasoning salt? Yeah, we're gonna start seasoning salt. Put it on there. I'm gonna show you how it look before I I'm gonna show y'all how it look before I store it up. Let y'all know what I'm working with, man. Like I said, man, get y'all the man. I know what I'm doing in the kitchen. Too easy. Eggs, got, you know, I gotta get the grits going. I got the little pep on. A little too much. Ain't no seed. I was about to say ain't no seed. Getting on this side. What I put in? Seasoned salt, lemon pepper, put the little black pepper. A little too much. Garlic powder. Nah, I put a little bit. I don't know if y'all eat garlic powder, y'all, so I don't know. Here we go. So I got it seasoning. When I say y'all about to see the best seasoning in y'all life, hold on, take a look at it. Oh, y'all about to see the best seasoning in y'all life. Comment down below. So we got the seasonings going. Look at that. Hold on, it's fogging up the camera. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, don't do it. Oh my God. Woo! Look at that. Look at the butter. Just the moist of it, you know. Look at that. So I might do grits. I don't know. I want to do the grits, but I don't know. Just look at that, how it's simmering. Look at the simmering on that. Like, come on, don't tell me I'm not doing my thing now. Look at the simmering on that. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. Change of plans, guys. I'm gonna be doing shrimp and waffles. Only because I don't feel like making the grits, man. The waffle, they almost done. It's almost done. So I'm gonna do shrimp and waffles, man. You know, I got the little waffles out, got the little honey up there. But like I say, stay tuned for this video because this shrimp is looking, bro. Look at that. Y'all see that? There you go. Y'all see that? Like, come on, man. I know what I'm doing in the kitchen, man. I know what I'm doing in the kitchen. Like, come on, man. Like I say, stay tuned, man. The boy get down. Got the little syrup for the little waffles. Thank y'all for tuning in. I want to, thank y'all for all the support y'all giving me. I know I ain't got all the technical digits yet, as far as like the actual camera, the mount, each part. Yeah, I'm doing it the getaway, but hey, it's better you start somewhere and not start, you ain't doing it, you know what I'm saying? So thank y'all for the support, man. First little video, cooking video, man. Thank y'all for the support. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Hopefully, I did order me some kind of technical stuff, some gear, so I can do it the right way. But that ain't no wrong way. I mean, long as I'm recording, long as I'm filming, y'all saw what I did. You know what I'm saying? So like, ain't no wrong way. But yeah, make sure y'all, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below, what do y'all think? Should I keep cooking? So do somebody want to do a cooking video with me? But yeah, comment down below. We out.
Tell them take a picture. It'll last longer.